Hello, MacArthur Stars. Let's go on a nature walk and let's see what we can find to make our art projects with this week. So I'm looking for any kind of color, so maybe flowers. Now, if they're not in my yard, I'm not going to pick them, okay? So my yard has a few colors, so I am going to cut some flowers from my yard. But I am going to walk down. I know there are some trees down the way that have pine cones that have fallen, so I'm going to go get those. And I'm going to look for maybe wildflowers. There's a little field, and maybe I'll find some color there too. So let's go see what we can find. I am not seeing anything else here, but there's another pond right over there. So I'm gonna head over there. I can see a whole bunch of pine cones. I might grab just a couple more, but I don't think I'm gonna need that many. So, all right, let's keep going. There's a robin over there. I don't know if I can get it. Okay, so I see some dandelions down there, so I'm going to go grab a few because they have a nice yellow color, and I think we'll be able to do something. All right, those are weeds, so I'm going to the pond, and nobody's going to mind if I pick weeds, so I'm going to go grab a few, okay? Okay, so there's some wildflowers in this field, so I'm gonna pick a few. This is nobody's property. It's just a field, so I'm not worried about picking flowers, but there's some purple and some yellow, so I'm gonna grab those. These are just weeds also. They're just really pretty weeds. Okay, so this is my house, so these are my flowers. So I'm gonna pick some of them for our projects. So if you see flowers but they're not on your property, don't pick them, okay? Only take things that are yours. All right, so I'm gonna cut this rose. It looks like it's about to die. Purple flowers over here. We're gonna cut a couple of them. What these are called, but they're good pink color. So I'm gonna cut a couple of these and we'll see what we can make with all that. Okay, see you in a minute.